keep on telling lies. That is how we stay alive. So you know that I don't mind about what is wrong and what is right. We keep moving in different rhythms. Still I know what you feel. We keep.
So you guys, we made it to Villa Alina here in Ubud. I am blown away by how amazing this villa is. It's a 4-bedroom villa right out of the center of Ubud. It is so modern and so thoughtfully designed, and I can't wait to do a villa tour. For now, I'm just popping in to say hi, and I'm gonna pop in a villa tour later on because, ooh, I'm loving it. I'm loving this villa so much. The views of the rice fields are incredible, and yeah, it's completely private and fully staffed as well. So super excited for this one. And you guys know I'm always bringing you the best villas here in Bali, so stay tuned, stay tuned. Guys, this is the mama. Guys, Putu knows how to swim, and he's out here giving everyone lessons. Guys, look at this guy. A whole swimmer. Guys, it's been such a chill day here, and I'm just loving it. Honestly, I needed just the relaxation, and it's just so nice to have family here and just chill with them, especially because it's the holidays and I'm not home in Nigeria with my actual family. So this is just so nice to be here and just enjoy the views and honestly just have a good time with my family here in Bali. Especially because I'm not home for the holidays with my actual family, and I do miss them a lot. So just seeing everyone here today and just hanging out with everyone just feels so good, and really is everything I needed, especially after such a crazy year. It's just nice to be back and just relax and just be grateful for all of the little things, honestly. And so yeah, I'm really thankful. It's been such a good day, just relaxing. We ordered like a whole bunch of nasi goreng, so we're about to kill it. We're about to eat. We ordered so much nasi goreng. We're gonna have some food after this little pool party, and then yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. Peace. So guys, we are having lunch here. And we're all having nasi goreng, guys, this food. And it was super cheap, about $2 for each plate. This is mee goreng, nasi goreng, and then we got some drinks, so. What's up, you guys? So I am here in Ubud, and we are actually on our way right now to go to Samantha. She has worked with me for over almost 2 years now, and she just had a baby 42 days ago. So we are here for her baby's ceremony here in Ubud. I'm super excited. This is one of my first traditional ceremonies in Bali, and I'm just excited to be here and support Samantha and her family. And I'm here with Putu and his family, and it's like a fun family day and family outing. So yeah, it's gonna be a Balinese traditional ceremony for a baby, almost like a christening if you're Christian, just to kind of welcome the baby to the world. You can see Putu here. Guys, check out Putu's outfit. Yes. Yes. And guys, look at little Putu's outfit. Yes.
Eventually. But it's a way of income for them.
Video of this cheese.
She gets bigger every time I see her.
Oh. Oh my god, this is so crazy. What's up, guys? So I am about to head out. I want to find a nice quiet cafe that I can get some work done, hence why I have my mask. I just called a Gojek. It cost me about 10,000 for a 10-minute ride, and I think 10,000 is about 50 cents or less than that. It's super cheap. So I'm gonna find a cute cafe to work at. It is hot today, guys. It is so hot, and I'm loving the weather because the past few days have been raining. And yeah, so I'm gonna go find a cute cafe, gonna do some shopping, and then I'm going to probably do something fun tonight, catch a sunset, bowling, something cool. I'll keep you guys posted on that. But yeah, that's my day. Let's go. So guys, before I head out, I want to show you guys where I'm staying, and it's the cutest villa. It reminds me of being in Spain or Greece, and I want to show you guys because this is a bit more of an affordable villa, and the location is perfect right in the center of Canggu. So I thought before I hop on my Gojek, I want to give you guys a quick tour. This is a great place if you're thinking of staying in the center of Canggu and you want somewhere that's kind of affordable, has a private pool, and they actually have a couple other villas here. So I'm gonna do a quick tour for that. So yeah, let me show you guys. So guys, this is the room, kitchen area, and the bed. It's a studio villa, and there's a private pool. And you can see how big it is. Really cute. And then, this is the bathroom. Okay, so that's the bedroom, and I want to show you guys some of the other rooms here, just in case you want more options. This is actually not even open to the public yet, so I think this is going to be like 1-bedrooms, and we found this place on Airbnb. It's going to be 1-bedroom villas, so you can see. Yesterday, this was a whole construction site, so you can actually see that they've done so much. Wonder if any of the rooms are open. Nope. Let me see if I can show you guys more. Okay, and sorry. And guys, this is the pool area. So yeah, super cute. And has such a European vibe, which I love. What's up, guys? We are at the bowling place. Damn it! So bad.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit.
Look, I actually suck. Guys, I'm over this game already. Like, I'm losing. I'm not feeling it. I'm ready to go home. I'm tired. I just don't understand why I suck. I don't understand why I suck at bowling. This is gonna be the one. Yeah. I'm winning.
Where?
So guys, we just finished here at Finn's. We were bowling. I won 2 rounds, so you know your girl is a whole bowler now. And this place is really cool. They have some adult stuff. They have a gym. They have a water park. They have bowling. They have swimming. If you want to do water sports, if you have family, you can leave your kids here and do activities. So I really like it. I had such a good time. And now we're gonna head out to have lunch, and then we're actually heading back to the building site because I have to meet with my interior design team to discuss some things. So yeah, a little bit of fun, a little bit of business. So yeah, we're about to head out. Finn's, it's called Strike Bowling if you're thinking of bowling in Canggu. Really fun time. how old is he? He's cold. Yeah. And I don't think the designs you sent have the windows. Yeah. In them. Because you can't lock it in.
Have a glass, so we need
and then there'll be glass around here as well. Yeah. And then the other staircase will go this way. Yeah. Hey guys, so we're here on the site again today, and we just had meetings with my contractor Adi and Adi. We're here. We're also here with the interior design team, and we're also here with the team that is going to do our kitchen and cupboards. So I'm really excited. That's Jessie. Hello. She's the one doing all of the interior designing work. I'm really excited about it. We've been working hard on this. And we also have the person here for the kitchen. He's in the other room measuring. So yeah, we're just having meetings, making sure that everyone's on the same page. And I'm just excited to get this situation over and done with. No, I can't do
the wall. No, just be careful, be careful.
A few inches later.
To the wall, right down to the wall.
Oh,
just to the bed. Be careful. Slippery.
I love how this is YouTube entertainment for you while I'm risking my life.
Hold on. Hold the wall. Be careful. Slippery. Oh, good.
Adi, this needs to be done.
I will.
We need to finish this like
no,
soon.
Because we still have grass and we have the thing for everyone.
So Terrazol's gonna be from there to here, and then this area. And then we'll have some nice. Maybe we can have some nice grass here.
Yes.
What about that part?
This?
Yeah.
Guys, we are here at DC Habitats in Karobokan, and I just bought my first piece of furniture. Check it out. A whole table, guys. Literally, this house is happening. I'm so excited. How beautiful is it? So guys, if you're coming to Bali and you want to pick up some amazing artistic pieces of furniture, you want to come here. This table is gorgeous, and they have even more amazing pieces. And actually, they ship out a lot of furniture to foreign countries because the prices here are so cheap. Like this type of table cost me around $2,500, but if I was to buy it, or less, but if I was to buy this in England, it would cost me like 3 times the price. So you wanna think about these type of things. I'm really excited. I'm getting some amazing pieces. Michelle has literally walked me through so much with interior design and giving me ideas for things to do. So I'm really excited about everything. First piece of furniture locked in, and more to come. Let's go.
You're gonna wanna know if it's authentic, and a lot of people just wanna avoid potential scams, right? And that's where we come in, and making sure that they understand that this is a legitimate business, that our policies are foolproof. Certain things that are on the site, it's our job to make sure that we're clarifying as much as possible. Following up with clients, hey, I just want to check in with you, make sure your issue was resolved, and if there's anything else that you need, please do reach out. I think that that's something that's so key.
With Lisa, she did reach out because I guess she processed payment via Zelle. So she sent like $10 as a test.
What's up guys? So I am about to go get my nails done at Think Pink Nails in Seminyak. It's one of my favorite nail salons in Bali. And I'm gonna go do a gel manicure and pedicure. I just called a Gojek. The Gojek was 10,000 IDR for a 15-minute ride. I use Gojek for all of my errands and just quick trips. It's super affordable, and I always feel safe on a Gojek. I am not skilled yet in terms of riding a scooter here in Bali, so I just prefer to call a ride. So I'm about to head out now, and I'll catch you guys later, and I'll show you guys a little bit of my journey. Bye. So guys, this is my trainer and we are doing kickboxing. As you can see, my gloves, and we're also doing Muay Thai. His name is...
My name is Illham. I've been training in the Netherlands at Hoyer's gym in Heerlen in Limburg. So now I'm in Bali to train people.
Yeah, guys. So if you guys want to work out here in Bali, he's really amazing. He's kicking my ass. I'm sweating. I'm not even going to show you guys. But yeah, we're out here and we're doing it. Thank you. Guys, so I just had food delivered to me and they bring it directly to my villa every day, and this is meal prep. So I'm trying to eat healthy now and it's super affordable. She makes anything that I ask her to make and they deliver 2 meals a day. You can actually get more as well. So I'll show you guys what I got. I got some sweet potatoes. And then I got some chicken pesto. Looks good. And some shrimp rice, which will be eaten later today. And this is other meals, and then some side of some avocados with tomatoes. Ooh, this looks good. So guys, I forgot to tell you the cost. This cost me 288,000 IDR for 4 meals, which comes down to about $5 per meal. And this is completely made based on what I asked her. So she can make whatever you want. She'll deliver it every day and she makes it fresh as well. So yeah, I mean, really, really affordable, $5 per meal. And the portion sizes are great as well. And she can always make more portions if you want. Hey guys, so we are here at Rejuve clinic, and they do a whole bunch of dental work, but they also do like aesthetic treatments. So today I'm going to be doing a teeth cleaning because it's the beginning of a new year and I want to get all of that covered. So I'm going to be doing that today, a full teeth cleaning, and then I'm also going to do a microdermabrasion facial. So yeah, I'll let you guys know how it goes. Hey guys, so I just finished my microdermabrasion facial and my skin feels so good. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, my skin looks good. My skin feels good. Yeah, I'm really excited. And it only cost 300,000 IDR, which is really, really, really affordable, especially compared to places like New York, England. So yeah, definitely worth it. My skin feels amazing and no need to wear makeup now. Yeah. All right guys, so this is the man to meet if you want to get your hair done here in Bali. He does all sorts of braids, weaves, all hairstyles you can think of, and he's African, living here in Bali, and he also speaks Bahasa. Let's get into it. Okay. Thank you so much for doing my hair. And I'm gonna link his information in the description box below if you guys want to contact him. Show some love, guys, because it's just nice to see a friendly face, another friendly face here in Bali. Thank you.